Hey guys, good evening. Before you watch this video, I'm gonna give a shout out to a YouTuber of the name of Tommy K. Go over on her site. I'm going to leave her link down in the description that you guys can go over on YouTube and subscribe to her page and tell her I saw Squid and Choto sending. Thank you.
Yo, Squid. Nothing go on, dog.
Real dog, nothing go on, no events done, nothing.
My youth plays with boring, my youth.
Why? Normally them tell you we don't have dance a kid dog. I mean I say cartel and intense in all look conflict, you know.
Yo, yo man, Pete they go intent and yo, India could go fall, my dog. Yo, who can run down for the dog like you want bite him? I say, boom, my brother.
One thing, you know, I not do this, none of two artists, you know, because two artists are good artists, them, you know, but them feel good. Because intense couldn't go this teacher for class.
Yes, it. We hear from now. This is boring, my youth.
What church I wonder how we can do if you have look funny, you know?
All that again. Hey, you know what I want to do? You play a game man, called Box So Don't Touch. Hey, listen no man, it's great. Is it anything in of your hand? And me box out the sock. I go be for me. Anything that for me hand and you box it out, I go be for you. Hey, we can do that and make look fun for yourself.
You know, go back so my food, my youth, and my phone, my money. Sometimes I have my baby in me and my woman in me and
then that me I tell you, brother. That again a nice brother.
I thought be fear.
Then brother, anything me have no fear too?
Come on, man.
Join man. You can't lose.
Man, I one girl we have to, you know.
Alright, watch and see. Dead.
Yeah, man.
Box so don't touch.
Yeah.
Anything you know. Remember me saying no. Anything at all you know.
Yeah, man.
Brother, when me say no brother, if it's no brother, take up the back on the brother. I mean, no argument with you know.
Yeah, man.
Anything that box out, I feel me.
Come on,
alright? Hold yourself. Yo, I'm going to my place, go with a beard, so I'll circle back here.
Alright, that's enough, man.
Move up on the ends.
Few inches later.
Yeah! Finally make it my partner John now. So you know what? Sit down and see how me want now. Who want a bill for pay off. Finally me get my partner John. $100 for plucky chicken back. Yeah. Had $100 for me smarty jars them me take for me woman. Yeah. This I know $250 each water bill and light bill. But me not have to pay that because I live in a community where I have to thief that. Anyway, I can get that. Alright, I say go. Mark, you know. $100 for plucky chicken back. $200 for me smarty. The jars them me take for me woman. And the $250 light bill and water rate. Alright.
Yeah, boy, Squid that man. With money. Oh, my dog counting money to bomb wash. I mean, the dog there back so down to you know. Oh, I know, how me approach him now? I've been still on the so. How me approach him? Alright, now, feel like I'm breaking. Like I see her. I see we can get up. Alright, watch me. Yo, Squid! Go on. Depend family.
Hey, I know Chocho.
Why pray? Yeah, I'm doing some come out everybody, you see me?
Real man.
They're going to get a link on us. You see the cause?
You know some partner job when I wait for now 6 months back door dog and you just get it.
For your TV no man run about there.
Yeah man.
So get it.
And I will like. I think me get 3 quarters of the pay bills them on my work.
Alright then
Yeah man.
The manager you know back so don't touch him at talk about bills. Alright, watch how go on. Watch how go on. Just quit. Tell me what I want. All your bills gonna quit.
$100 for plucky chicken back.
Yeah.
100 for 2 jars I'm going to take from Miss Matty for me woman.
Yeah.
And $250 each she like bill and water rate to JPS.
What you have to do me?
Yeah.
Uncle does man, yeah.
See that? See that?
Box up, don't touch. Stop. Remember we join again. Box up, don't touch. Nobody have vex, man. Remember?
So in case I'm not up here for 4
Listen, man, the game nice. You know, catch me one day, man. This is for me today. Box up, don't touch. We're going to pay back one again, man. What you say, man? Run back taxi, man. No, man. No, sir. You join the game with fear thing. When you box anything off me and me have to go get to.
So give me back something in my ear.
Whatever, this
Yeah.
I'm mad man. Hey, squid, 4 days done. Yeah. Raven. Oh God man, I'm saying what I'm not bother want it. Hey, no see me can buy this now. What you talk about man? 4 days soon come man, over yourself man, me a go man. You good man, we gone. I'm going to partner jar this weekend now. Roll that party shop, we gone.
More sketching back. More sketching back. I say no.
You if you walk and wine, let me see your teeth them. Skin your teeth. You can walk and wine for me. Yeah man, come, show me walk on. Yes, walk and wine, go there baby, walk and wine, yes, baby, walk and wine, yes, walk and wine. Love you, girl.
Wait, that boy Chuwawa that you do under a puppy. You know long me want Chuwawa. Alright, no catch him. Baby. What? You little. So Chuwawa gone. Yo.
Yes, I'm better there, I'm preaching there, I'm pretty girl.
Look nice man. You know, so over here, you know, some of beg a sugar do over here, me there make some cool lemonade. Like how cool.
Yeah, ask it to me.
Yeah, man, cool lemonade.
Yo, but I'm wash off me and I see better, I can't move on, man.
Serious about your sugar, you not give me no nice sugar.
Yeah, man, I don't get sugar, man. Wait, man, there and pay the puppy, man. I'm there, man. Can't walk and everything, man. I love the puppy, about yeah, man. The thing I really just keep the puppy better.
Okay.
Millions. Yo, Squid, I let the combo out, man. No good sugar come bar. That ain't a plan.
You think I say it ago? You back so from partner Jody, you know, long me want Chuwawa.
But we need animal, man. Animal. My boy in
Remember my game? A box out, don't touch him. Alright,
alright.
later. No.
Yo, Squid. Yo.
Jenna bounce.
Ah,
Oh, yeah. Again. Yes, guys, that was the video of Chuwawa and Squid. So please, share your thoughts on the clip and tell us what you feel about this video.
And guys, may I ask you, please like, comment, share everything. I got to ask you, please. Without we can't reach nowhere. Chuwawa and Squid say that. Please, just like and share and comment. You understand?